Let's talk about bouncing back, because life isn't always smooth sailing, but you're stronger than you think. Resilience. We hear about it all the time, but what does it really mean? For me, it's not just about surviving tough times, it's about coming out even stronger. First, let's talk about stress. We all get overwhelmed. School, work, life. I've been there, feeling like everything's just too much. But taking small breaks and asking for help made all the difference. Next up, failure. We all hate it, but honestly, every setback taught me something new. Instead of giving up, I learned to see failure as a stepping stone, not a dead end. And finally, loss. Losing someone or something important hurts, but I realized it's okay to feel sad. With time, support, and patience, I found ways to move forward. If you've ever had to dig deep and bounce back, share your story below. Your journey could inspire someone else to keep going.